Very quickly, the latest on the hurricane. We have the center of the storm.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for the following Florida counties: Alachua, Baker, Bradford, Brevard, Charlotte, Citrus, Clay, Columbia, DeSoto, Dixie, Duval, Flagler, Gilchrist, Hamilton, Hardy, Hernando, Highlands, Hillsborough, Indian River, Lafayette, Lake, Lee, Levy, Manatee, Marion, Martin, Nassau, Okeechobee, Orange, Osceola, Pasco, Pinellas, Polk, Putnam, St. John's, St. Lucie, Sarasota, Seminole, Sumter, Sewanee, Union, and Volusia, effective until tomorrow at midnight. FL. Florida counties included Dora, Alachua, Baker, Bradford, Brevard, Charlotte, Citrus, Clay, Columbia, DeSoto, Dixie, Duval, Flagler, Gilchrist, Hamilton, Hardy, Hernando, Highlands, Hillsborough, Indian River, Lafayette, Lake, Levy, Manatee, Marion, Martin, Nassau, Okeechobee, Orange, Osceola, Pasco, Pinellas, Polk, Putnam, Sarasota, Seminole, St. John, St. Lucie, Sumter, Sewanee, Union, Volusia.
The governor is coming out for an official briefing.
A vast majority of the state is experiencing sustained storm force winds.